What's up YouTube, Edward here with another review. Today I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna make a little review and a test on the Nikon D3100 with the 18 to 105 millimeter lens, Nikon lens. You can see the size of it. It looks quite big. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna show you the settings I use to make this video. I'm just gonna use ISO 100, gonna use the autofocus, gonna use the wide dot and single point, and that's already it on. I'm shooting, actually, let's see what we got here. Okay, so that's the auction. So let's see how it looks. So here we are, this abandoned house. I'm just shooting with the automatic focus. Let's do a little zoom here, so you can hear actually when zooming and focusing. I think you can hear right now. You can hear right there the focusing. It's just focusing this. Let's go back. Let's do something here. Let's see, for example, this bulb. Zoom in. I think I'm able, actually, if I press the shutter release button, I think I can, yes, I can actually focus if I want. You see, I'm pressing the shutter and it actually focused. So let's go back. So that's the test sound for the 18 to 105 millimeter Nikon with the Nikon D3100, sorry.